guys, I hope you're well and welcome back. I feel so out of practice. It's been so long since I sat down and filmed like a fashion video. Well, it feels like ages. Today, I thought I would show you some little bits and pieces that I've been picking up over the last few weeks. Every single thing that I can find online that's exactly the same or similar will be linked down below. Anyway, let's get on with it. This is what I picked up recently on my little shopping trips. Let's go. The first thing that I bought was in the H&M sale. It is this straw tote bag. Now, I absolutely love straw bags. I've got one behind me here, which is from ASOS. This originally was $14.99 and I got it for a £5, which I think for a straw bag is actually a really good price. They can be quite expensive. This one is actually really big as well. As you can see, you can fit loads of stuff in here. I'd wear it during the day, but it's also great to double up as a beach bag as well. The best thing about straw bags that I find personally is that they go with absolutely everything in your wardrobe. Love this. Bargain. So while I'm talking about H&M sales, I might as well mention these little shorts that I picked up. These were also in the sale. They were $17.99 and I got them for £7. I absolutely love high-waisted shorts, but I love a bit of length. I don't want my bum cheeks hanging out the bottom of my shorts. Love the colour. They're kind of like this olive green shade, and then they've got a black pinstripe that runs all the way down. Like I said, they've got a nice high waist. They've got a tie belt here. I personally think these would go with anything. I think with black, white, grey, patterned t-shirts, kind of slogan tees, shirts, blouses. I think they're really, really versatile. I actually sized down in these as well. I got a size 8. Usually in bottoms, I am a 10. So if you do see these like online or in your store, maybe pick up a few different sizes to try on. Also from H&M, I picked up this little white t-shirt. Now, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see the beauty of this as I'm holding it up. But this white t-shirt has little kind of diamantes all over it and it's so sparkly. I thought this was a really cute t-shirt. I'm always in need of a little white tee. Goes with jeans, goes with those shorts, everything works with a white t-shirt. And you can make so many different outfits out of them as well. This wasn't in the sale, but it was only $12.99. They do come up really, really oversized, so I actually got an extra small in this. And even that, I think for an extra small, that still looks quite oversized. A little sparkly number. It is a little bit jazzy. My mum also bought this as well, so we both bought the same t-shirt, which actually does happen a lot. Oh, look at this. You'll have to excuse me, these straps, they keep falling down. It's annoying, but never mind. I think this is the last thing from H&M that I have to show you. I obviously went H&M mad and I wasn't sure whether I wanted to show my bras on YouTube, but I figured, you know what? They're nothing sexy, they're just a t-shirt bra. So I actually pick up these bras in H&M. Now, as you can see, they're very plain. They're t-shirt bras. T-shirt bras are the way forward and always have been, really. But these ones are the best ones that I have found because they have a little tiny bit of padding as well. I bought the black one and the white one. I actually already have the nude one as well, but I won't show you that because nude bras just are not attractive. I can't remember how much they were now. I'll leave the price on the screen and I'll leave the link down below. But yeah, for me to buy a bra in 3 colours means that it's very, very, very comfortable. These 3 bras, including the nude one, are the only bras that I actually wear day to day, every day. So next up is this little t-shirt that I picked up recently in Primark. I am absolutely in love with this t-shirt. It is so adorable. So as you can see, the base colour is black and then it's got this really cute ditzy floral print all over it. We've got a bit of red, a bit of pink, a bit of yellow. And I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but it's actually got a very thin kind of rib running through it. I got mine in a size small, which I believe is a 10/12, and this was £5. £5, what a bargain. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get so much wear out of this because actually I can envision me wearing this with black jeans, with a black leather jacket, little red shoes, under dungarees. There is so many ways you can wear this little t-shirt. So I think it's one of those t-shirts again, won't date, won't go out of fashion, and I can just get it out of my wardrobe time after time. I love clothes that I will actually keep and wear loads of because obviously we're all trying to do our bit for the environment. So I do try to buy things that I know I'm going to get loads of wear out of. So yeah, really like this. I thought it was a cute little t-shirt. I think they had some other prints, but for me, this little floral print on the black was super, super cute. And I haven't actually got anything like that in my wardrobe, so I'm super excited to wear that as well. So next up, I have a pair of jeans. Now these are very worn And I actually wore these yesterday, so I'm going to do up the button and the zip just to make them look a bit more presentable. But these jeans are by Next, and do you know what? They are the best freaking jeans in the world. I absolutely love comfortable jeans that I can put on in the morning and not think to take them off and change into my pajamas or leggings until the evening. Like, that for me is a sign that a pair of jeans are comfortable. These are from Next. They're crop mid-rise and I got a size 10. I think they were like £20. Again, I can't remember because I've worn them and I've taken the tag off, but I will leave them down below linked and the price on the screen. Mid-rise means they're not super high-waisted, but they're not like cut to your hips. So mid-rise jeans are something that I definitely prefer. They're not as uncomfortable as high-waisted jeans actually. I can definitely wear these all day and don't feel suffocated, which is good. I love the colour of them. They're this really kind of nice like vintage light wash blue, which goes with everything, and they are quite summery. They're not too skinny, not too loose, which I like, and then at the bottom we just have kind of like a loose ankle and it's a bit of a crop. 2 pockets on the back. Yeah, really worth it if you love comfortable jeans. They're kind of like stretchy as well, which is always good. So yeah, love these from Next, and hopefully I will be picking up some other colours as they come out because I feel like I need some dark ones for winter. So fingers crossed they bring out some more colours. Okay, so next I'll show you a few bits that I bought online recently, and the first being this yellow dress. Now this isn't from River Island like the hanger says, reusing my old hangers. This is actually from ASOS, but it's a brand called YAS. I have actually shot this on my Instagram, so if you guys follow me over there, you probably would have seen it because it stands out quite a lot. I actually bought this online a couple of days before my birthday, and I decided to keep it as a little birthday present to myself. It was £65, which I think is quite expensive for a dress. I'm super tight when it comes to dresses. Like I said, I was on a birthday high, so I kept it. I've actually had a lot of compliments on it when I wear it, so that kind of made me keep it anyway. But yeah, really like it. As you can see, it's a yellow floral print, and then we've got like little flecks of black running through it. I don't know if you can see in the camera there, but it also has a very subtle kind of stripe running down it as well. It is a maxi dress, so it goes down quite long. It's very kind of loose, kind of smock dress style, which I absolutely love. And underneath it has like a yellow kind of lining as well, to protect your modesty. I actually wore it with little black sandals and a leather jacket, and that looked really cute as well. So yeah, a super cute dress, a little bit bright, but cute. So then from ASOS, I also picked up these little pearl clips. You get a yellow one, a pink one, a light lilac one, and then a baby blue one. And these, I mean, hair accessories are massive now. I thought that having 4 different colour ones was actually really good for different outfits. So the yellow, for instance, would work with the last yellow dress. There's been a few times when I've had a blue outfit, so I've popped on the blue clip. They just look really cute in your hair. These were actually £10 for 4, which I didn't think was too bad. Again, I think they are still online. They do sell out really quickly. So if I can, I'll find the link and leave it down below. But yeah, just thought these were really cute and just something to keep in my hair accessories part of my wardrobe, and probably look at them more than I wear them, but isn't that what we all do? These leopard print heels. Now these are from a company called Blowfish Malibu, and they are completely vegan, which is always good to know. And Blowfish Malibu to me is always about really comfortable shoes, but they also look really good, which obviously is super important. So I spotted these ones on the website. They have like this kind of platform heel, which isn't too high. Obviously they're leopard print. I absolutely love the colour of these. Again, I have actually worn them over on my Instagram. Definitely a super comfortable kind of wedge / heel for daytime if that's what you're after. Love them so much. So then lastly, I actually have an item that I was gifted by a brand called Joni Clothing. If you follow me on Instagram, again, you would have seen it, but it is a jumpsuit. It's a navy polka dot jumpsuit, and it is the jumpsuit of my dreams, guys. Oh my God, it's so comfortable. As you can see, the top bit, we have 2 thick straps. Love the fact that these straps are quite thick. Covers up your bra straps. I think it looks really flattering. And then we go down, we have a kind of tie here, so you can tie it into a bow and pull in at the waist, which really cinches it in. And then the legs on this jumpsuit, hello, are culottes, which I think are really flattering and again, super comfortable. So jumpsuits are really difficult to find when you have a long body. You end up getting a weird camel toe at the front or a weird wedgie at the back. There's no way of skirting around it. I absolutely love jumpsuits. So when I tried this on, I had low expectations of it actually fitting me, but it fits. So yeah, I'm super excited by this jumpsuit. Actually, before I finish this video off, I know below I might get some comments about my lipstick because you guys love a lipstick, so do I. But today I'm wearing this by Maybelline. This is one of the new Superstay ink crayons. This one I'm wearing today is number 25, Stay Exceptional. They're really great products because they're kind of like a pencil, so they're really easy to kind of draw on your lips and then fill in. I feel like it's like a lip liner and a lipstick in one, thanks to Maybelline, and that is what I've got on my lips, just in case you were wondering. So guys, that is everything I've been buying on my shopping trips recently. Like I mentioned, if you do want to pick up any of the items, everything will be linked down below in the description box. And yeah, thanks for following along. If you're not already, please do hit the subscribe button. It's the red button down below. I'll also leave it on the screen at the end of this video. Completely free, and it means you stay up to date with my videos as well. Have a lovely day. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again very soon for another video. Thanks guys, bye.